We don't come again. We thank God, say, but God don't already do your work. See, things they work out where our country, now one country, will be all of us must join hands together to rebuild. No matter what, we buy fish now, wahala to buy the cheap market now a big problem. But we know say yes, say no matter what they happen, one after the other, the matter them go they open us more, and we will solve them. Again, one matter when we say yes, we talk about just now, and the matter when we say concern. The matter when we say concern within the Minister of Information and Culture talk, Lai Mohammed, when he talk about who's supposed to prosecute or they in charge of what they call banditry and kidnapping for anywhere. He say for Nigeria, he say now the matter supposed to be under state government, not be federal offense. It's not under state government, not be federal offense. I will tell you, say yes, we go call somebody, maybe say talk to us for this matter, or make it talk to us. But before then, my people they here. Hilary Oja, we'll still talk about this matter more before we go get Osawage for line, make it talk to us.
Now what I don't talk. Now I don't talk. If you say now the Tennessee state government, governors, now they in charge of all those kind of laws. So who be the governor of Abuja? That means the president, now they in charge of that one. So you see, when politicians they talk, you can't imagine whether not be waiting you the reason as human being. Now they the reason.
Okay, you know what today there? We don't say we go bring a legal practitioner on this matter, make it talk to us. I will get somebody for line, Barrister Osawage. Barrister, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Sado and crew. I greet everybody for the house.
Yeah, I know say they listen to us now. We know say now you are one person when we say we go always call, make it be say we talk to for matter when we say it be like this. So you listen to us since they follow us and all of that. We want to find out from you, Lai Mohammed, when they respond to some things when we say the PDP government or the PDP talk, when we say they do their big meeting for Abuja, it talks say PDP rule for 16 years. See, they're supposed to know, say, the matter when we say concern banditry, when we say concern kidnapping, see now state level, now state supposed to take care of, so not be exclusive, not be federal offense. It be. I want me to take it off from there.
Okay, Oga Sado, thank you very much. Maybe I talk small about my understanding of the law as I don't practice for the years when I don't. God don't give me the opportunity to practice. You see, criminal process. The administration of criminal
justice,
criminal process is initiated. You get where they start from. They start from the police or the security agency making an arrest, doing an investigation, concluding the investigation. When they find any person culpable, they will not carry the person go court. The police agency or all the federal all the security agencies, so you know, which one they on that state are not fit, are not know where I know reach now. They say no one they controlled by the state. Be the DSS, be the military, be the police, be the immigration, be all the security agencies. It's controlled by the
federal government.
No one would state on its own not fit initiate a criminal process because, like I told you, the criminal process they originate by way of first of all somebody go arrest. When they arrest, they will now do the investigation because to prove crime, guilt of somebody for court. Now 3 ways now they teach us. Now they say one, either the person make confessional statement or there's an eyewitness account or what they call circumstantial evidence. Who they gather all this evidence so they talk so? Like the security agency. Now in the gatherer. And I go carry and go court. When you carry and reach court, for instance, all these minor offenses, when maybe magistrate court the fit prosecute. Police go continue with the prosecution for magistrate court. But when they don't become capital offense or offenses so they go high court, they will now send the file when they don't arraign the person go court under Administration of Criminal Justice law. That's why it's still for the Federal Criminal Justice Act. When they arraign the person for court, say we don't prosecute, we don't find this person say they culpable, you need to be prosecuted. So they can go court. Court will go under the police, or not even under the police. That is the procedure. The police will go duplicate the file, send them to the various state Department of Public Prosecution. We will go look at the file and see, say, okay, this person really get case or not. then they will come from there continue to prosecute. Like, but the thing is, the state cannot on its own initiate the process. It must be initiated by the various security agencies, like I told you.
Barrister, wait, Barrister Wage, but would they hear sometimes when we do for court, say the state versus so person? That's what we hear now. Not be those state be that federal state, those state Lagos state are listing.
Let's explain that aspect. If you go magistrate court, you see, I don't say COP versus so person.
Commissioner of Police.
COP versus Likiba. You see the situation they call IGP versus so. You see the thing they call Federal Republic of Nigeria versus. Like if you go do all these federal offences, now there are federal offences, for instance. All those drug matter, are federal offences.
Okay. The simple question now be say. Kidnapping and banditry. Now, federal offense be, I've been a state offense be.
In the first place, there is no offense like banditry.
Ah.
No offense so that they call banditry.
Okay.
I stand to be corrected.
Okay.
For the number of years when I don't read law, I never see any offense say banditry.
Okay.
So the terrorism itself, they get ingredients, they get certain offenses so they constitute terrorism, which the state can prosecute for. For instance, murder. For instance, possession of firearms. For instance, causing grievous bodily harm, injury, bodily harm and all of that. All these ones are offenses put together. All this is a cause terrorism. Because terrorism, if you remember, I don't know whether I can remember, Kabiru Sokoto.
Yes. Who
prosecute Kabiru Sokoto for God's sake in Abuja? The Attorney General of the Federation, I prosecute Kabiru Sokoto, the office of the Attorney General. I prosecute him for terrorism. But that is not to say, I don't want to say states not fit prosecute. State fit prosecute for offenses where they create. Like you get what they call criminal code. You get other offense law.
Hello? Okay, it be like say, okay, we go. Hello? Be like say we lost Barrister Sawage. We go get him back and make you talk to us. But Hilary, it be like say you get something maybe say you want to talk.
Yes, you know, before we start this discussion just now, I state clearly say, as if say we not be member of the jury, we not go that school of law to know how it be. Say lawyer, go, as in don't talk him now straight. Now very straight thing. It don't show now say so crime day will be say federal government
go take charge
of. Also stating these relevant security agencies where they inside the individual state, where they first and foremost make arrest. There is nothing like Edo State Police. Now Nigerian police now will get, and this Nigerian police now is being supervised by the federal government. You understand me? So as in talk am now. This one now where Lai Mohammed come they talk say now state government now suppose they prosecute for all this crime. We make you not also forget say quickly wetin bring us enter inside this matter now the insecurity wey dey this country. Think the question we go dey ask Barrister Leo Sawage if he will reconnect with her. Say inside all this insecurity now, wetin come be the role of state governments? State government of the 36 states of this country, wetin be their role? Knowing fully well. Say money dey even when law not talk wetin dem go use and do, but they also give am name say na security vote. Wetin e mean be say you go use and tackle insecurity as e dey come up on top your state. Police base dey your state, navy base dey your state, army base dey your state, security and civil defense dey your state. So all this one, that security vote suppose to dey go round these security agencies to make sure say those ones they also get that motivation to say they go work. But in a situation whereby we will dey Kaduna today, we will just hear say bandits they enter school, pack 60 people and above, pack 20 people and above. Then we'll see federal government they come out to talk say we thank una say una bring this ones come out, but we dey beg further say the ones wey still dey with una make una answer. So that one na outright defeat. E go be like country where we say we not get leadership. When we, as I talked just now, we have a president of any country. Now he be the number 2 after God. As Nigeria been after God is the government, and the owner of that government, the leader of that government is President Muhammadu Buhari.
Okay, no wahala. Make we just take a small break, more drink small water. When we drink some more water, we'll come back. Just I'm going to give them this message because we need to pass the message to now. So we'll see how we'll see get our brother back. They see they try to get once they get us back, we'll go put on, make it talk to her. But I'm going to take this message first. Not go anywhere. You know, all this our network at times they get the way the thing they be. We don't get Barrister our gear on the line again. Barrister, I see you there with us.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Thank you very much. You know, say we talk last time before, like say the network you play your own trick on us. So I want me to continue for what you say you stop just now.
Yes, I don't even know where that gets me rich. But what you had to try to talk just now is say every criminal process they initiated by the police. No state government will just go say this person a kidnapper. Yeah, go area boys when I go catch a call, just go now. Or yeah, go a drag and go court. It not happen like that. So this person is the kid is na murderer. Go drag and move can go court. It not happen like that. No. The way they happen is now the security agency, be it DSS, be it civil defense, be it the police, men will first initiate the process by arresting, investigation. When the investigator finish, they will get filed. The civil defense will investigate. This is the evidence they will get against this person. So not carry the person go court. From there, the state department of public prosecution will come take over.
Okay. Okay, Barrister. Barrister. Okay, wait, we'll take this other question from Larry.
Yeah, my brother, thank you. Say you get that time to deal with us on top program today. What it bring us to where we dey now? Now the insecurity problem we dey for we country Nigeria. As you don't talk now, the process of arrest must start from somewhere, and now police now they initiate those arrests, and our federal government now they in charge of police. In this case now, what it can be the role of state government, the 36 state government where they inside this country, what it be their role for insecurity,
especially banditry
and kidnapping, where they happen for the individual states in the country. Also, knowing fully well, say at the end of every month there is what Nigeria call security vote, where would they give state governors. So what it be their role for insecurity in their individual state as a federal government?
Responsibility of the government now to protect life and property and the welfare of the people. And they not distinguish them, say this one under that section of the law, because you not say the federal government will protect, or when it comes to security, now state will do this one. No. That's the responsibility rests on the entire government. Now the role as we see them now, see, now I had the privilege to listen to a very top security, the head of the security agency, the way we had an opportunity to discuss with her. They tell us something, say, this issue...
Who be that head? I beg, no verse, Barrister. Who be that head of security? Okay, carry on. No, carry on.
So the head of that security agency was telling us, and he said, look, if they don't understand this issue, where state government would be run from the responsibility of security, they say, the federal government, apparatus of the state security agency. He said that thing, he said just that they're not the big joint issues with state government because of the kind of agency where they need. He said it's not correct. He now tell us something. He said, if they way state government now will tell us, give us a report, say, so incident is happening somewhere. Then the head of the agency now they refer to herself. Then you now say you want to call Abuja Fed and make her attend to that situation. He said no, he said people try that way, they go inquiry. When you have already heard a report, the chief executive has told you, there's a problem here. You have to resolve it. He said the best thing they do, not to go resolve and then they resolve and if they get challenges, anywhere we go live, means that they have to talk to their superiors for Abuja. Then they go call. Not to say they go first of all go take permit, whether they go or not. He said those things not be true. He said state government just be shy away from responsibility. Just the way we say like Muhammad, it's not like a father where if the kid go come tell and say, Papa, they're hungry. Papa go come say, now your mama is not go market.
You say me go meet the grandpapa for village make their food.
So now everybody start to share the responsibility because without due respect, some of them they get very inept. Like let's teach a quarter. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to go about that. They don't
Okay, Barrister, before we go let you come out, I said you don't talk so many things now, you don't lecture us for what you don't know. After all of this one, I want to ask you one simple question. Where will be the place for you? Where will be the place of state police for this kind of matter? You feel say yes, we need state police and the rest. Just I'm not going to digress more.
That is what we see sometimes when federal government will talk something, go be like a paradox.
Okay.
Like, you use one man to talk one thing, you use another man. You talk say that in our state government, they get the right to prosecute. They should get responsibility. Our state government don't get their paradox. That is why people will clamor. And with this argument, I don't put forward. So with this, not even argument, with this argument that makes it a federal point, you will see and say, if they really want to transfer the responsibility to state, then they give states the logistic, the apparatus, that is by creating state police. Create state security agencies when states go free on their own. Now, if vigilante arrest now, vigilante not in charge of court.
It's okay, Barrister Sawage, we know say, Barrister Sawage, we know say if you give you all the time today, maybe be sitting talking about it, we not go come up for you. Well, thank you so much. God bless you. That now our friend and brother Barrister Osa Owagie, he don't tell us so many things there about what he know about state policing and the rest. You just people when you go to school, he gets the kind of they won't tell you. You don't tell some kind of that Larry. They go start say yes, they talk say yes, what you did there with all due respect, sir. What you talk so you know correct. That means the one you started tell you, even my brother, what did they call him? My brother now, Oyi Agbonfogbo. If you want to tell you some kind of bad thing, go say with all due respect.
With all due respect, yes.
You can what maybe say Barrister Sawage get together. You say with all due respect. Some of them they inept, but what you say?
Yes, sir.
But what you want to don't tell about.
You don't let it tell them.
All due respect.
Nah, sense. Nah, sense. You go to tell adults say don't be stupid. He go understand
what they do so no correct.
He go just know say he know what he do. You see one word we talk. A top security chief for the state lectured them at the level of
at the level of the MBA, right?
He said he don't know why the governors are shying away from their responsibilities. For conscience sake, Muhammadu Buhari as president of this country, he not there though. He not there those states. His family not they reside here. Even if his family they reside here, they are under the state governor of if anything happen. Now the state governor now they go cause what it happen. It don't really show to us now say the insecurity where we get on top of this country, including my state Edo, now the attitude of we governors. Because
Lai Mohammed talk like that.
No, hold on now. Hold on.
Before
there is a role the government
everybody get his role. Everybody play a role.
You see what Barrister Sawage talk those and say federal government, state government, local government. Government is government. Right. And the primary purpose of governance is say you secure and protect the lives and property of your citizens. Okay, if that one not there, it means your government na backyard one.
Okay. As with the look of all of those ones, now we still look. More take small gear, more just check go one side because they hear now one bed don't fly into my ear. They talk and now say even for Abia State now. They don't kidnap some students for Abia State, students for one university there. When we don't get the clearer picture, we'll go let you know. But the truth be say, for Abia State, they don't kidnap some unspecified number of students of the university. Okay. That's now Abia State University. You know, they don't kidnap them now and all of that. They come back and so kidnapping now, say they do for schools now. And if you look at yesterday papers and everything, when we say the minister of FCT come out, or one person when we say talk for the minister of FCT, they talk and say the schools they went there for Abuja say don't close all of them down because of say insecurity. Minimum don't run. You see, and the man can't come and say it no be like that. Yes. Day. So blessed don't shift to go schools.
The reason why they tell our leaders make that they beware of what then they talk, because their statement go further push us into where they want make this country go.
No, either go save us or go.
Oga, he not show say he go save us. He not show because the way that they talk. Listen, when any president want to seek power,
anybody want to
seek power, say you want to be president, you want to be governor, they go talk full ground. They go talk full ground. Now so they go rescue fish. Now so they go measure say animal wey dey forest no one die. They go say they go poor condition for your street. They go talk full everywhere. You will now imagine a federal government speaking through whoever. Say federal government cannot protect all the schools in Nigeria. Meanwhile, when you were seeking for this power, you use your mouth talk say you go make sure say you end Boko Haram with the before. It just the start that time. It just the start that time. Banditry now can't join. You go just imagine human beings go to sleep for their community. You go just see people drive motorbike, enter, invade everywhere, shoot, kill, put fire for people's houses. The one where you go adopt them. In a country where we say we not dey fight war with any other country. The death where we go the record, it go high past the ones where get war with other nations. In a country now be that one.
Okay, no wahala, no wahala.
The wahala be say na question wey you ask. Now they want answer you.
You never answer. Because now
when they want talk the matter, now that wahala not the day. But wahala go there when government go come out to talk say they not go fit secure all the schools for the nation. That is the reason why bandits now don't talk. Say they will continue in the.
So they will continue to. They'll fit kidnap all these people there for the schools.
Yeah, because government don't talk say they not fit protect all the schools within Nigeria.
Okay, no
wahala. They will continue to enter the schools.
No wahala. As they talk about
the state governors, they should be sleeping, no. Make them sleep.
No, they don't feel sleep.
Make them
because
sleep.
You remember say yes, some people go the house of the governor of Imo State the other day.
Yes.
Uzodinma.
Exactly.
So if they feel
he expect her.
No, he not
shock her. He not shock government.
He shock government.
I tell the governors now, they will say, It don't reach like this, okay, go reach.
So if they
because all your una talk una stinginess, una selfishness as leaders, we dey look am.
Hilary, may you waste brother. So if they fit go for Hope Uzodinma house, they go a state governor house. Tell me which other state governor they say, or which person where Thomas Ado life come they safe.
We dey hear National Assembly yesterday now. Before yesterday they talk. They want to close all their gates. They want to access the National Assembly through the presidential villa. You know here?
We heard that one.
That's to tell you say where una want push us go as a nation. If you happen,
now they will fair reach there.
If up they fall,
no, they will
fall on top one person.
Okay,
Hilary, I don't want use
okay. May I hear Victor
you know
first?
Wetin I dey talk and write from time say the security or the police army wey dem dey carry follow body na jege.
I only dey sorry for the family of those ones because now them be the first target.
Yes, na jege.
Now them be the first target. They sorry for their families.
The Senator Clifford Odia, they attack on the other day. Senator, they attack on the other day.
That one na small. As Hilary dey talk, where they don push us, they don dey push us dey go. We never reach there. Where they don push us reach where they want make them push us reach. Thank God say no enough now fit vanish. Then now you go see say yes say no be as dem dey take am, no be so e be. Because now you can imagine say now the government don close up schools. If you be father, you sit down.
Which government close our schools?
No, schools for Abuja now they say
no, let me talk afraid. They come out, they report am. Then the man come and say it is no correct. Okay. But they no say some schools then close. Say government no close.
Whether he close or not close, but person come out under this government say they can no longer
protect all the schools in the country.
They're not talking.
So
what if you as a father,
so you no fit protect your children again.
You see your children. You not fit give them food. Where you supposed to protect them, you not fit protect them. Are you not?
You got a Bible to describe that kind of father. Yes.
You got a Bible to
yes.
So no use that word.
Wetin I dey try to talk.
Talk.
Now the one wey concern me. Now I want talk. As a Duma. Governors, Edo State governor, as we dey hear, na so you dey hear. As we dey see, na so you dey see.
Na even see pass.
Na supposed to see pass.
Na supposed to see pass. Na supposed to hear pass.
So presently, may I tell you now, presently, Edo State dey calm. don't reduce, crime don't reduce. But now people they responsible. Who be all these people? The vigilante.
Edo joint vigilante group.
How are they faring? How did they take the move? Yes, I see am recently when the state government give them cars, but that one not reach anywhere. I can still tell you at the talk am here now, up till now, since when those people start, they never start to dey say, okay, take this one
At the end of the month.
at the end of the month. As these people dey work now, everybody dey see am, they never spoil, they never start to dey extort people, they never start to dey put hand for where they not supposed to put hand because
All those complaints dey, all these ones wey you just talk so, all the complaints dey. I talk for radio the other day. Make we remember once upon a time, we sing hallelujah song follow Nigerian police. That they were the best. They were securing us. They were our friends. But when they break after how many years, the narrative change because of attitude wey government not check continuously. When person dey do one thing, the complaint dey come. Responsible government go check that matter wey dey come up. If they come up now,
Why these people they complain? Why they complain?
yes,
About the same matter
you
every
will
day.
look into it. Nigeria government failed to look into the complaints that were coming from Nigerian police.
No, they look after us small. Maybe
Oga,
they give
were
them
always
enough.
on top of the situation.
That is it
You
now.
cannot be on top of a situation because that situation is bigger than you.
No. The police say they take care of her.
Oga,
They are top of the situation.
they
Even the
took care
federal
of it
government
now.
they do what they feel
Yes, I
to
thank
make
you.
sure say
Yes,
yes.
they take care of her. You see where call land us few months ago.
You also mean they do make they do better than what they do. Now you go talk.
No, they talk for my mouth. I know what I want to talk. We first sing song of good for police. Now the same song. When police now they come their activities come get as it be, come get say quarrel.
But the same song now they sing now for vigilante
now.
now.
The same song we they sing for vigilante now. But small pocket of complaints don't they come. How these people they use arms indiscriminately.
You know, saying this and the matter when we say we're supposed to talk with Yusuf Haruna and the rest, but you just talk to say you know go fit join us
today. So
again.
what did that word mean now? Say they don't postpone the evil days. Because if he was here to say he come here today, citizens of it call in to say, see how they be for
that area. Yeah.
You cannot come out and say Edo joint vigilante group
When you
don't have a grip over.
Okay, no, while make we not just let the whole thing back out of the bag. When the man go come, we go ask am that question. But I want make we just take a small, more just change our gas more to one other matter when we say we get to look at.
Jatiri.
Yeah, now we enter now. We check out to know how it be.
Jatiri.
I want to check out, more check this matter, and the matter of cost of living for our country. Make we narrow and come, more PGO and come Edo State.
Yes.
The other day, I see some people, some women,
Fish sellers.
they complain, say the
Only
cost
protest.
the
Now
cost
only
of
fish.
fish.
Say too dear.
He say it too dear.
Only fish.
The everything and just the dear, everything. Adam and everything. So you know, now be where BC we just did now. If you go inside market now, you know if you buy tomatoes. If you go inside the market now, you know if you buy plantain. If you go there, you know if you buy tomatoes. Even crayfish. Now problem and all of that. Waiting they give rise to all of this one. But let's not forget, say, the people they went basically talk about this whole thing, the market women, when they said the fish, they point finger, go give union people. Maybe you go take them off from there, Hilary.
My brother, leadership
It's key.
is key. Because we cannot, if we underplay the power of leadership. We don't see leaders will lead the people astray, even in the Bible days. We also see leaders will lead their people in the path of peace and progress. Okay, there is role for government to play at all time. Somebody once said, those days where our major export products, na cocoa, timber, rubber, what was government doing to make sure say they take charge of the market? Good. Somebody talked yesterday inside rush hour. They say whether it hard to do, complain of union. Complain. Though we also know say the economy right now,
Very bad.
it dey bad. The exchange rate now they determine price of this commodity, especially the fish wey we dey talk about. You know the Cocoa River, you know the Bar River, you know the Boba River.
But what about the plantain when they talk about?
Oga, wait.
No, now what about the plantain when they talk about?
That one are direct product from our villages. Union, they take over that one. We also don't hear to the extent and say, Union, they even enter motor. Go wait for them, for road. As they come market, say, just stop. Goods will carry, so which market, how much you want to sell? Okay, 2 million, okay, wait. We go sell them, can't give you your money. Or just take the money now, they take over the goods. Somebody just suggest one simple, it's very simple. In all the market across the cities, government create a space for yourself. If you are a farmer, if you dey do crops you want to sell, this is government site. Any goods wey enter inside here, any union wey enter, e wake up for prison. Bring your goods here and sell to my citizens. Come and sell to my citizens. We have seen in the past government go give loans to farmers. Produce, government come to that farm and purchase. They harvest, take to their farm. Oh, good. Wetin happen to us for this country? Who do us?
Okay, I want to ask the
Who
question.
do us?
I want to know one thing now. Because you talk about the plantain, you talk about fish, so I feel understand to some extent.
Now they enter boat they come.
The enter boat they come and that kind of thing. But the plantain they come from markets, from farm.
Our farms.
You understand?
Yes.
So people will get their farm for their house. They'll get 200 by 200. They'll plant plantain full of inside there. At the end of the day, maybe they'll get one pickup load.
Yes.
They'll carry and come out, they can't say. Now you talk and I say before they'll come, union people come, they'll carry this plantain, they'll sell them for their hand. Some people when we say we hear so they'll carry the plantain itself, reach market, go. You see, they want to say the market will fear no let them come by.
Because once they buy, union we
wait first now. When you can't reach there, they don't come by. Until the union people go come, they just say, okay, they go over put price, say this is how much be your plantain. So say now 200 naira for one head.
Yes.
Say okay, this is how much I go to sell it.
Yes.
So I go to sell it for 400 naira for one head. The remaining 200 give to us, then you take the remaining one go. I come they ask, say, is there nobody go fit regulate the activities of these unionists? Maybe Rio go talk to me.
My brother, this matter where you bring so, as Larry talk, now the same government that you fit do something about this thing. That one where you talk, I believe say as this thing can be, not be now government, now they give
everything government.
Now they must create an enabling environment. Now they say they don't get business in doing business.
Okay.
If you don't have business in doing business, you regulate
the activities of the union.
Activities of
government will feel regulate the activities of union. Now, if you call them, it be like say like all these consumable items.
Goods,
all the union, anything that has to do with consumable item, the union scramble them.
We feel no fit scramble them, but maybe we'll regulate.
Oh God, there is a portion. I don't know they talk on there inside the consumer right law. There is a portion that states that there are goods, like consumables, that you cannot increase the price.
Okay.
It did the law. Who do person will come fault the law? What did they do? Unionism in this state. In this Edo state. Oga,
you finish up.
See, you know the reason why I know if you exonerate government. The reason why I know if you come on government hand. Because they always talk for Russia and say, come on monkey hand for soup before I go talk to a human being own. All the while you go complain of what you complain, you will not see government come out to say we don't hear all the things they talk about. Because why? When campaign comes, they visit these relevant unions. These associations, then they visit them. It's in our synergy, now agreement, memorandum of understanding, MOU. The MOU themselves say, okay, we go converse our members to do the needful. allow us to do our union activity.
It's okay.
We plan am.
It's okay. No wahala. We will still come back to
To
this
the
matter.
detriment of the
people.
citizen.
We will still come back. We will
state.
still come back to this matter. I want to come back for the matter again.
Do us.
We go pull line that time, make it be say everybody call. But in the meantime, we'll just take this small break. Or we'll come back continue for what we say we start. The name of the program, Good Morning from Benin. It's from Independent Television. When you are across the world, when we say they watch us, stay.